Can we take a moment to talk about how stunning this salad bowl is? And it is more than just a salad bowl. Let me show you everything that it comes with. So this is 5.7 liters. So you do have the little tongs. You also have the like salad spoon. So this is good for tossing and serving. And I don't think I've ever seen any like this large and wide. These are stunning. And then you have this. So this is my favorite part. So I thought this was just a lid, and check this out. It is actually airtight, so you do have that silicone ring on here. So if you have stuff in here, like I've seen some people putting like, you know, some cupcakes in here or some bread, you can put that in here. You've got that airtight lid and it's gonna stay nice and fresh. Obviously, let's say you make a salad, you wanna put it in the fridge, you can go ahead and put it in there and put that lid on here. But this as well, I don't know if you noticed, but there's like a little rim right here. This also doubles as like a little serving platter or a charcuterie board, which I think is so awesome because I mean, that would never even have occurred to me. And I was like, that makes total sense. And then of course we do have the glass bowl itself, as I already mentioned, 5.7 liters, absolutely stunning. And I love the fact that they actually give you this wooden piece here on the bottom, just because, you know, with this being glass, you know, of course it is more fragile. Being able to have it placed in that wood instead of just kind of glass on the table definitely makes such a big difference. But as you can see, it is absolutely stunning. I just cannot wait to start serving my friends and family with this. It is so beautiful.